So, be selling the house soon. Everything's going into storage, so we're just gonna do a walkthrough on everything before I sock it away for a year or so. Okay, let's go through some tools. That's a nice little mortar. This is also a mortar, a little shallow on this side, and again on this side. This is another one. This guy here is just a working surface. This is kind of a portable. Take it with you, sit where you are, or wherever you are, and accomplish a task. Love this piece. I'm not quite sure what it was used for, but it's brilliant. It's balanced. This guy as well is a nice piece. I think this is your working leather, and you're sizing it and using this to stretch it out and push it in. That'd be my guess. This is I should be holding it in the other hand. Fits better. I have 4 or 5 of these, but I couldn't find the others in another box somewhere. This is a nice working edge. This also is kind of like, the hilt of a sword right there, and you can latch it on to a nice piece of wood. It's a beautiful pestle stone. Love this cutting edge again. Just a beautiful piece. This is a kind of smaller version of the same thing. And this is a nice little working surface.